PayConfirm can be used as a standalone mobile app or be integrated into a banking app. A user needs to be registered before he can start to confirm his transactions in a secure way. During the registration process, the user needs to enter his registration details and the digital signature key will be transferred to his smartphone. When PayConfirm is integrated into a banking app, the process of keys registration can be as simple as marking a text in a checkbox. In the instance where PayConfirm is a standalone application or cybersecurity is crucial to a bank, a user will need to take additional steps during the registration process. Before starting the registration process in PayConfirm, the mobile app should be installed while the registration form on a web page is activated. In the registration form, the user will need to provide details such as name, company details, if applicable, and email address. During the registration process, we can select one of two options to personalize the application. The first option involves sending all data, including user keys, to a specified email. The second option is more secure as information is transferred via two channels. The signature key will be encrypted in the QR code and displayed on the browser window, and a special activation code will be sent via email. As soon as the user launches the mobile app, he would need to scan the QR code, then enter the activation code received via email. Next, PayConfirm will prompt him to create a username for the received key and to choose the method to protect it. No additional protection needed. Use password or fingerprint protection. After selecting the method of protection, the key will be registered on the server and the PayConfirm application will be ready to generate the MTAS mobile transaction authentication signature.